You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Now that we've covered the basics of permanent trim lighting, let's go over the tracks and mounting options used for installation. Permanent trim lighting is installed using aluminum tracks, which protect the LED lights and keep them aligned. These tracks blend into the trim of a building, making the lights nearly invisible during the day. There are a few common track types: single track systems, which mount directly to the fascia or soffit for a low-profile look; double track systems, which use a two-piece design. The base mounts first, and the second piece snaps into place, hiding screws for a seamless finish and easier installation; parapet tracks, which are used on commercial buildings with flat roof lines for better visibility. Most tracks come in standard colors like white, black, and brown, with some brands offering custom color matching to blend with different surfaces. Mounting methods. Different surfaces may require different mounting methods for a secure installation. Self-tapping screws work best for wood or aluminum. Double-sided 3M tape can be used on smooth surfaces like metal or vinyl, but may need reinforcement over time. Regardless of the method, the key is to install the track securely, level, and properly aligned for a professional look. Now that we've covered track options and mounting methods, let's move on to Lesson 2, LED